And relative reference in Excel means that an Excel formula changes depending to a cell position. So let's see an example. If we click here equal and we put before multiplied by our price here and we press enter, we have 12,000 for James revenue. But if we expand this, we see that Excel doesn't understand. Why? Because the formula will shift one by one cell each time. An absolute reference in Excel means that an Excel formula remains fixed no matter where it's copied. Let's see an example. If we remove all this and we put here equal, again before multiplied by price, and we put here dollar in the formula bar, and we press enter, and we drag to the bottom, we see that with Excel understand.